Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of March. No Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua. The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of March. No Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua.
Na miniano mema menana no na yeno mozongo omunka se ye bibia dise ahabaya kan o remember park anaji guru mi wafa anaji guru mi papa embo no ndi pamcho omuba omuntia o de place no o be fe omu e che omuka o omuji wini mbono.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and in a killing house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omutino, high horse hono, baby omutini brofaka se no more kind of supporters in Tiasia. And you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, yan criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay any diwatemo. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay young criticize you. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Go criticize you. So we criticism. We are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Okoman 97.1 and Anopa. And I say, yes, I say, a good yemun sam, a coach you call Bremai, and a yes, Yatrasia. Yedumun Comunina and Sonum, and the bro, and there, 30th of January 2023. Yes, 30th of January 2023. And I say, Osho Brenna Siman 9, about Don Contina. Good yemun sam, Yatrasia, about Okoman Global Sports, and a Yatrasia. emu nkomo nyina no eno nso no ye bro and then some do na ene ye ba be che the Black Galaxies of Ghana amfa mayen ye championship for African nations no champ tournament na se na no mementa ye di ncho eka mienu against Nigeria ye ntumi anti ene ye firima ye nso no ye be fie Ghana Premier League over the weekend matches no nso no etumi ekọ so ye bet pa Premier League match week 14 eno se be uram na afin nso no yetumi edimo enkomo enti eno nso no wacha nso top flight European leagues no enso no etumi ekọ so Ghana players na wodo no modern ball ekonkan na wachi ewiye eno nso no yebedimo enso no enkomo executive producer Eyira Kofi Anton bar for KB Samson Anana Kofi Okori Achiman Club ya Sante Pa Solo Paradise DJ Zigby Samson DJ Donze Balinda and I said yes Bella Mum enyate chira omo boa na bibia nso no etimi ay kama edino still remains Kelvin Amponsah Addi from AK Major so na say bibia enso no ay kama when am tie twoma ne enso no global sports no yenso no yetumi ere but transfer issues ekoso amanene yes Chelsea ani abre Samson clubs awodo na enso no etumi any abre breaking news ba Brantier John Cancelo likely so moving from Man City Akropong or buying loan and Brantier so kwa boy just option to buy no so 70 million euros and also no any news are able about Chelsea and so Enzo Fernandez deal no and so no go so ni mwete papa Eriama Chelsea say Brantier Enzo Fernandez about 120 million euros Chelsea second bidder omode akomo hwe nim say Benfica campaign for abagia tum man penny for chirema still not for sale but scan bi wa the pem wa na abagia mu ntino and also fear na akopem china ewuram first no e say Brantier need Enzo Fernandez from Benfica ba pm and so no Chelsea other notable transfers no and so no you be doing enkomo ofia ntino yes the show no pack papa so lo betena say club ya betena say na amanane nsem kakra wana no panum say the fixtures results na by the amanane igram na is electable ni go kin chat awodo no and also etima ba any other stories etujwa ewa amanane na yedimu enkomo join your live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook join your live and also benya show ni bi ahwe na ukọ Facebook we search Okoman Radio. Now I like a page, you know. Yes, like a page, you know. Na just say beka ya home. Na fin so comment wa jin channel also no there to on YouTube also no Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 and also okwa na say wa subscribe na wa beka ya home. WhatsApp messages or baba fafa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 any WhatsApp messages any text messages no and also fafa the yankin come out ebe customer dunia sorry so amamu akonya na so afreba na do agent channel and so no etumi and aba crop ya ha I mean calling channel me mana kwa ba new week yes and 30th new week any womb crop ya say bia kama
e ka ba dia dama bibia ye fine bibia ye kama pa ye won kwane ye wa nwode nko ade ye de ase de be ma twedi ampon o si papa obonimo ye fast da emma no nti de ko yi ni de anko yi nyina na se da de enya de betumi aferi da wa ye na femu de wa ye de obeye nyina kanipa nyame be shira wa unshira wo sa ode fa nipa so yes sebi application kura wo try ye nipa yes se nyame anka sa nipa no koma ba binu mu akoma wo ho nyame kan
application mo ko numa ne gane ni
nyame na betumi aka na akoma bateki o basa onipa ebrimu koma we primu
asemo aisa fero akoma no
nipa ebrimu koma we primu ye hwie ye ntino eno nti eguso a ye hwe nim sebi ono wakwa akoye ejemu eja ene enemu ena ne eti bia de kwan a wona ni we eja befa so a ade chon kom de ndewode me menti obi a wo mu so Okoman na ekum no wo bra nipa ne papa na ne ma meti ase me eno nko ade menti bi da so Okoman ekum obi da bi da
menti e be di
ye o menti bi da ntino ono nko anso wo ho ne de bia ba ye kama na ne o man so etumi akonkan weekend ya ise mehu
me wo fio on the Friday na wo for say na because
okay
me am bio Mr. Fiesta. Mr. Fiesta, me want to. Mr. Fiesta.
And here.
Mr. Fiesta, na, uncle, you fear now. You won't. It's a full on the costume.
I think they want 7 to 13%. One man shut down my way was 7 to
from 7 to 13%.
13%. So meaning say exceed 13, but rather yes, in between 7 to 13 there.
Now you know dollar no what check it.
I mean check it. It's a
$1. December won't check. Oh yeah. December na better na. Nice. I'm catching it. Maybe do bring your baby. They are now 12 to 50%. That's
if we are was a buffet no we be oba so ne oba be so Ghana friend.
Some
oba so Ghana friend. Baby oh yes. Ebe pa.
Black Galaxies.
Oh,
I'm fat. Na bise mi mo nyoma o se nyom no ba ko Black Galaxies na ba ko efi ba ko ndi wa chana ma
ya mebo eki
nyom na me mbo
serious
I'm not blaming the players
serious
we'll come to that na ya be brom to the one our manane na yemwi amanane na
the notable ones na no pan mu de we na gugu and me ano yes me ano ma ye we no dada notable ones no a
fe no abra na je
ya ye na yakọ
okay ntino yes yewura mu amanane na amanane sam kwa bia enso no fantuga
el Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, ¿quién le pega? Gio, ¡golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo!
Right, ebe mo bibia ha ede abo Okoman 97.1 e bredu se ede amono ni nsemo a yabo bwana no eba betan yiti for enso ene ya hwefo urimo na Akuffo okore ajma together with Teki ene Paradise Krunche nsem no jegu krata so se men kono kwanten krona me fa Amanfo krusu nsem no emfa bedan yiti for ene ya hwefo nti urimo enso e all the social media handles are Jumedi ni nso no twegula ye streaming live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 udruwa na wetumi like Jumedi no wetumi pia shama womo nso e wo diaspora and also let me get in touch of the show and also yet Airbus and so on YouTube and also Jumedi no Chego Okoman Radio 971 no way to me I enjoy show no ma nneoma so no to me a konkan say ya ka say radio no aba be audio visual enti na ewutie no na so hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories are yet ni nyina enso edi eba other footages no ene footages no nyina no enso eba pictorial presentation ni nyina enso dedi enso we social media platforms no so a yet Jumedi nso no eba DJs gibi ana nei ototo ahoma ye bibia ama nneoma nso etumi akonkan ti bibia koso wo bia no enso DJs gibi ono nso ne nsa no endrado hunyum papa na meni obi na obebi na miso DJs gibi ono ye multifunctional media man multifunctional media man DJ Zigibi ento obo ejuma ma nneoma nso no etumi akonkan medi no krobia santie ntom ne hyase free African ye remu Algeria ho ana the African Nations Championship ye trinity friend the chan tournament no enso ekoso hormona na remu se ya bo remu abo group stages na bie ye ko remu enso the quarter finals ye de ehye so parents no etumi akonkan ama ne fixtures ni nyina enso games ni nyina so etumi adede ye hu teams wamusu etumi ebuki wam ticket akwa represented the semi-finals no na nyomansu etumi akonkan numu ana yebeyi mienu enso akwa piemu enso the grand finale na yang ahwede ya 2022-23 chan tournament no oman ono so ebetumi agye de si ni stress na nyomansu no etumi akonkan na uremu ase na results outro no enso etumi etoja over the weekend Algeria being the host nation no etumi ehye kaneba kwa Ivory Coast enso etumi ensimu agye into Algeria so no etumi ekonenim sanso na Senegal oman Senegal nyoma konkan wo national senior team no konkan sanso ana ne wo youth side ana say locally based team no eno so konkan ma nyoma so no kama wo so etumi ehye Africa ne ba ko Mauritania so no entumi ensimu age Madagascar wo mu efri oman konkro Ghana group ma masa team we ejina ne nanso ye papa inti Madagascar so no ebo e kan porpore miensa ama ne Mozambique simple or not to the level unimbo no bo we hu bokura hu bo inti no 3-1 ano no so de ekononim na me man konkro Ghana Black Galaxies a ene ye bo wo mo samna ne we ukowuremu pa ye enso ewo manmu a ye boy homodin pa ewo football the African Brazilians a ye enso ye de edge ye home na ye kowuremu a ye ni Niger ana ne ye de akinse no ehye so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na oman konkron Ghana Black Galaxies eda form kamienu ye wo ye nice a ye ntumi ante ochena webe anye hwe krade ye ba behwremu ewo Kotoka International Airport Terminal 3 na ya lande ye ni na legends no so no ye tuma ba behwremu ewo oman konkron Ghana nti Ghana ye koya yaba mo bom kete intende ya sanso aba ama nuoma so no etumi ekọ enkan hono a yete ho nsem ni nyina no enso edi eba na remu e semi finals Perry na say na tie Algeria host nation oni oman Niger and betumi abo 4 p.m. sharp ana game no eba so ochina da ana sa game no eba so 4 p.m. GMT ana sa game no eba so host nation Algeria wo enso ene Niger ana ebo 7 p.m. sharp no Senegal enso ene Madagascar ana ne wo so ede akensi no ebetumi ahihye so ayede ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba ne yebeti atom enso ewo Europe ne akwa nsem ba ku mienu a eno so ekoso na wo behwremu enso ewo La Liga onum se games a wo dona etumi ekoso Real Madrid ewo Estadio Santiago Bernabeu womo etumi atena fia ntumi anhyebi sanso ana Real Sociedad being the visitors no womo so entumi anhyebi na game no ko na wieye ana opani a ene oda team na no odi team nanim as manager Carlo Ancelotti don ede etuga so opani game no sese Madrid team no enhye dan konkan sa na mmom no transfer we party eye shot edema Real Madrid enya ade obia eko ana enya ade obia so ede eba eno ne nsema Don Carlo Ancelotti ede etuga na mmom wo hwe modern boy andra team no eda ne dia na ni so papa say ye koyenim no team ni betumi apeke green points na nyoma so no etumi akonkan na nsema Don Carlo Ancelotti enso etumi ede etuga Spotify di Campino ehọ na boys a womo esi womo kan ho FC Barcelona womo ebu womo akatem edi free Catalonia ekoko piemu ewo Girona manmu womo so ekohwremu ehọ enya a goal to nil 90 minutes no womutumi ewini ene 3 points ni nyina womodi ababe piemo enso ewo Campino enioma ekonkan Golden Boy Pedri Gonzalez and etumi ebogo no enso edema FC Barcelona na eno so no na ye abrante no ne 100th appearance enso edema FC Barcelona na yewie ne so chairman why ade 100th game day uhwe age and de bia dia wo kode ansha that bia wo tokoso say ya ubetumi atwa Messi kra ni games awabo abrante no e de nigesem enso ekasai.
Yeah, the truth is it was a special game for me. Xavi went with a different lineup to start, and, well, we had some bad luck with Dembele's injury. I hope he recovers quickly. The goal was great. It was a great way to celebrate the occasion.
Eno ene ensema Pedri Gonzalez enso etumi ede etuga jetia ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba enuoma nso no konkan na chese FC Barcelona sese enuoma konkan Real Madrid ewo 5 points adrift of FC Barcelona na chese neno 5 points clear ana FC Barcelona so no etumi ede atuma Madrid ewia nso wo mo kira wo mo hwenim se enuoma nso no ebetumi akonkan uremu a EPL ni mu weekend we no games no so no entumi ankonkan FA Cup matches a wodona na etumi eto dwana uremu a Jurgen Klopp manager edema Liverpool wo ko remu ewo Amex wo mo ne Brighton and Hove Albion mo ko lose by 2-1 ama enuoma nso no entumi ankonkan ti Liverpool wo mo gusu a enjoy a sorrowful moment enuoma konko pani a ye freno Jurgen Klopp enso etumi ekasai.
I'm not over the moon about this performance, but again, the only thing what happened really is we lost against a good side, which we lost 2 weeks ago in a horrendous game. Today was much better.
We any and sema judging club manager and so etima Liverpool and so to me Eddie Etugas oni mudunum crack o she performance team no edani die pa dia ono ankasa so kan any players no we che nyoma bibia enkon kan enso eho ene ne nsema opani no enso Eddie Etuga ba wo mu ko mu no hwe nim se nyoma betumi asesa na results nso no wo motumi start enya na nyoma nso no etumi akon kan ene ne nsema judging club enso Eddie Etuga Eric ten Hag manager edema Manchester United say nyoma ekon kan pa wo mu si premiership no ana wo mu entumi engia say ada caps no akanede wo mu betumi age pa say no wo mu finals wo mu ehwerim so wo mu betumi age EFL Cup no wo mu e finals so na FA Cup no weekendi wo mu etwa Reading by 3 goals. It was all Brazilian affairs. Fred Bogo, Ana Casemiro, Enrique, etumi ebo 2 goals. Edisoso Amandra, nechese nyoma konkampa. Eric ten Hag, ebo individual players eni wamu modimbo asweni ewo club no.
Also the intuition, the creativity of an individual like Ressi is to create chances, and so we have some of it like Ressi, Bruno, Anthony definitely as well. Jadon Sancho is one, Martial is one. So we need such type of players. Christian Eriksen, don't forget him in that part. Be creative in the final third and do something no one expects, and some crazy stuff that has to be also in a team, so fantasy and adventure.
We any and someone Eric ten Hag manager at Manchester United ready to go out and so ball any players bidding a woman modern bono kon campa we are quiet to say ya your classroom now nim one more a bohoma pa no see any teacher a bizarre question no be a man and so one more so cry teacher them from Osha Yanga yen shedan conkin now afraid went to me in chat last hour nefi the wako and name Merman Ankasa no one say to me 20 Bruno Rashi woman and nay woman a ye jumano at Manchester United. It is a what do dia or modern one. It is a masupa and son of penny friend Eric ten Hag and so to me abo abasuma newmansono it to me a conkin Mikel Arteta and adano that day. Oh, fine former Arsenal enyeno ono ane boss Joseph Pep Guardiola on any Manchester City team no e cheno e kapu womo into me entimu aje.
But it's been quite a big transformation. The team that we had in the beginning to the team that we have right now is night and day. But very grateful for everybody that has been in that journey because obviously everybody helped and contributed to be where we are today.
When is Mikel Arteta ready to go to team ni pa o hwe said ya momentum a wo de hye season ase ene bebi a ya book careful na ba behwemu na modern bo a wo guso eda na di no eye papa na enum ana first 45 minutes openi a friend Thomas Partey Yakubu ani ni din say no nei openi no call first half wentumi amba bi oni ebisa ni so den na ekoso no so openi no ene wenya no kakra na enejo ana nei MRI test no wo mo ka akoye scan no wo mo kotwa na wo mo ahwe the extensive of our branch friend of Thomas Partey so beba weekend imu aba be si akan against Manchester City ya biu ana se obetumi atena fie kakra no ebre ene nkrabia na bekire.
Had some discomfort and it was getting worse and worse, so he could not continue. He wasn't comfortable to continue. Now, obviously, tomorrow, the day after, he will have to be an MRI scan and see what he has.
Enti no Thomas Partey Yakubu ono anani no test no sabri kura make say we twa kama enche report ni betumi aba bonten na nyoma nso etumi akonkan nti say report ne ba onu say drive time no so no ene no eke no mtenase a wo mo de betuga ne ahwe the extensive of our branch a your friend Yakubu Partey ni injury no said ya no nso nyoma esi eko enumu ana Joseph Pep Guardiola ohwe ne ba ne pa Mikel Arteta ne ba ohwe no ana nei next weekend yimu a wo mo san wo premiership game a wo mo betumi abo pen say hey munjai sansem na mo kekan one day we eno wo hwe modern bo a Arsenal da ne dia premiership game no ebe ye different ball game altogether as compared to FA Cup game no.
Be completely different day in Emirates, and I guess they're going to play all the lineup that normally they use because Mikel don't rotate much in the Premier League, so I think it's going to play all them. We are so satisfied to go through, but this completely will be forgotten for them in few, and when we will be there, will be another approach.
ɛno ɛnso ɛne ɛnsɛm a Joseph Pep Guardiola manager ɛnso ɛdema Manchester City ɛde ɛtuga yɛte ho nsɛm no nyina no ɛnso ɛde ɛba ɛhɔnom na wonim nsɛm dodoɔ na ɛdɔɔso papa transfers no nso no ɔkyena da kunkron na yatum enti yɛwia yɛde all the done deals ni nyina betumi aba enti nya abotre deals ne de dodoɔ na ɛninemu a Mikel Arteta se wo mu hwie nim so mbenya midfielder ɛnso ɛde naba aba bɛboa ɛnani rest of the season se patensu na ne ho ntoni enti wo mu hwie nim se kyea ne kye midfielder betumi aba enti abrante e friend no Moises Caicedo abrante wo mu hwie nim 70 million pounds already rejected wo mu etumi a double up the 5 million account 75 million pounds wo mu de ewremu ana say Brighton for no ehwehwe mu saa na gusu da ho ana yehwe ni mu saa wo mo reject ya na nso ba ko de na kopimo china de kunkron ba ko ebesi ama Moises Caicedo enso ba be vrimu e Arsenal the Gunners ye de ho nsem no nyina no enso e de ba Tottenham Hotspur egusu a se wo betumi ebusti ani mo Emerson Royal ne de onkamfra hwe enti wo mu hwe ni Pedro Porro wo mu gusu a nka wo mu wie bibia ama Brighton no landi wie nemu no controversies kakra enso etumi aba bra na wo mu exchange document no wo mu kira Sporting Lisbon for na koye illegal wo mu din niam bia akɔhye beebi a 0 ne yemienu a wo mu de ba akɔ aka yemiensa inti sadia deal no they say no gina ho konkon ho wo mu hwe nim sɛ kasa no bigusu akoso na ene no Pedro Porro aba be wurimu enso ɛwɔ Tottenham Hotspur na nyoma etumi akonkan third ball on die na nkrofo bi ɛwɔ Lisbon or test wo mo post pa money it be nothing to kokuru chant mumpu also ohwe nim se nyoma betumi akonkan ti delegations and 3 delegations wo mo etumi ascending penifo no wo mo kɔ all the way to Portugal Lisbon na wo mo nso ene penifo etumi akokasa Enzo Fernandez wo mo hwe nim se akinya ne ke obebo Stamford Bridge o send umpo memi dimiska ebe mo abebo ho Hana Barima kwa media mono nsɛm a yeboboa no nyina nso ebetumi ediesiedi no eye krobia Asante mijemu diama AK na dwumedie no atoaso
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Enko besi, kwaya masamba. Obredi mi chinchin. Nanso enko sirio. Au mi de obre. Eni are we meku.
Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Enkobesie, Nikwaya Masamba, Obredi me chinchin, Anso Ango Sirio, I will mean your bread, and I will make
Okoman Radio.
Enkobesie,
Okoman Radio.
Nikwaya Masamba, Obredi me chinchin, Anso Ango Sirio, I will mean your bread, and I will make
Okay, Entino, and also, I don't know, Yakwaba, Yakwaba, Entino, Chan tournament, no, Amfama, the Black Galaxies, Yakwasa, Babetre, that anymore, but Ghana for the Rona Casa, and the found said the performance of the team. I don't net saying, a bimus man, my and fast tomorrow and more players, no, a business technical team, a business and your technical team, no, F no. And you almost say, yeah, at the fire football, no, Grumano, and I ain't ye in the first house of Bono, and so Enfamo, a year, F no. But F no, yes, you will come.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio.
Okay, and you know, now you can't now zone there. Sabe, ana niaman so be ko ediamo efe no de bia na megas obi in time o. Obi end time o. Cat, ono administration obi in time na mmom ye ka muntie. Ye ka muntie. Onim se ade amukoi enkoyeye. Fact ne dawo enokra ne dawo enkoyeye. Chenchenache na o ko tournament na player was say be 7 goals top scorer locally and your foreign players ye omko you say local players about league you know local players you know and ye do omko akobo tournament na ne was say goals do league ni mu Ghana ha mezake free ye 7 goals as at the time amoko wan fana nko and the striker was say 1 goal strikers amudo omko the strikers be 4 or 5 and e ko ye who come goals bo my 8 strikers 5 I'm doing call tournament no Kwame Otu free year ban here Kofi Koji Yusuf or then Yusuf then Razak Yusuf and why was it Boachi say Boachi bi kan Augustin Boachi amunyi na kabo mom goes 8 na Mezak free it here was 7 goals yam fana nko yembra midfielders wo rechi boadu agadas afasante koroko Shabobo. Oh, Rasta and your friends saying, Richmond Lamptey. Look at these players. Rashid Norte of Mediama as at that time, and you are Bakoroko. Shabobo. Defenders, Muhammad Al-Hassan, Vincent Atenga. Someone say Akuffo there, no Yamana Mobakokra. Someone say Akuffo. Fantastic players. Because of selfish interest, yemo bi nkobo ne anya kwan ento ne nkwa brochire enji sikendi ntino. Yedi omo sa na ebeko. That's why I don't want to blame the players. Because your quality ni bi wa ya mfa nko bright ejei before be move akono. No ha ya mfra no. No watch 5 o. Onye striker. But watch 5 goals. Ya mfa na nko. Obi selfish interest. Yankoton na Kwame Otu yede na ko giram 2 minutes 3 minutes na dey better ni CV anya tweko abo the national team ni aton no ni agisika ni edi enso no na chesa oman ho do nim moko se Sudan na mko tena team hotel ana mko tu ko bo mo me ko si jama agi mo ni sa match Sudan munum se bobo na nye mo ma adwan ko so Niger na yiwa free Madagascar show Niger yiwa free Morocco baby kura da nka yanko ye nim kura nka e bebe fie first one na Niger ana ase wa yiwa free ene ko Niger o mesi academy no mesi no omo de Ghana fo ma e wo Bujumbura kaswa ene do mo sesi academy no ene wa kwa ba be shawo Ghana no because of hypocrisy, because of greediness, personal interest, selfishness into the born yen ani ye ko na abejegu ana 17 ko na ajegu ana 20 ko na ajegu ana 23 na ajegu Black Stars ko na ajegu local Black Stars ko na ajegu entin pay for monje you don't think munje enwusa niama enkoye wo football nim so yes sorry near fighting a football ni jina don't you think. And I'm just say, Mokoya, you pay $25 million. Corporate bodies, governments, everybody, mamu, wako to abaso, moba, mama ya account and for more beyond mo demo home. Now it's about to abaso. We mo the short memory. Not just say, now what you choma and running on kasa bicha. Then the following week, masamba bim. Now samba just can amako. Taxpayers' money. So we'll talk. Most are caught in some muna mokeka kandi nyajuma. Yeni abrio. Because I taxpayers' money in the mammo now the Akko tournament. Moko say Obiaje $6,000 a good bottom. $6,000 at a form. At a form. $6,000 on Obiaje at a form. Moko Black Stars said you Obiaje saying Exco member Obiaje $100,000. Obia anje $100,000. I don't know your bottom na is kind of fear. And taxpayers' money at the market of Gregu. Ono Exco members and to football gurus on do China almost say football crew man $100,000 na moje taxpayers money the man when I'm going to call here ntumu ko din sam phone wall na mo betra some man gaze e wa be cassette the brand Black Star and the brand AF will take you to court. Yes, you can go to court. We don't care. The Black Star doesn't belong to you. Over to you. Yero hinu jamu eye ni ye no. Now when now Tamaklo Muyen now when I mean the Jawula Muyen now when fa Sabi Omuno somebody ever court. Then young can check question antechi. Insult. Oba obi edu atem. Get. Oba obi edu atem. Constructive criticisms. Akobobo fun na niam je go ba say we shouldn't talk about the Black Star brand. We shouldn't talk about the FA. And that's what the ebe. Any idiot can go to court. Here say didn't get yana kai. Go to court, we don't care. We'll speak the truth and echina na de tinye. You be can no credit here because more destroy the Black Stars, more destroy the league. Na mo jia mafu your selfish interest mafu ana mo jia ho. Kakra na mo di akoma na mo njin oman no ho. Say the be football be grow no, get to kreku onye ho. And the sports minister is just sitting down. Ana Amanfo we use sports minister honorable Mustafa Yusuf. But the account 1 term, account 2 years or so now. Keto Greku, so on is over for election. Only a few people never to Amano. But all sports minister, what buying in over 10 million people. And I can't say like what to about them, what buying. And when they return your government, that's when your appointment. But no nipa cheche point be, nipa be 100, 200 be, and I can't say like what to about Amano. Until the Omako Kata, just to satisfy them, then the next election they vote for him. But sports minister found 90 from. They've destroyed our league. Now your national team says go. Just 1 year. Keto Kreku has spent 142 million Ghana cedis on Black Stars and the Black Queens. Black Queens cried there's one more tournaments, baby. So the majority, and I say most of this money, I'm about to know 142 million Ghana cedis in just 1 year. You're spending on Black Stars. At the end of your film. At the end, if I saw dear bank, if I saw do a penny and you Black Stars, I spend 142 million Ghana cedis. Your co-worker say 25 million and echo. Oh, boy, what to have a catcher in your free sports minister, what to have a catcher in your free Adia, yadi 11 million. Echo, you to me spend 18 a catering a yard. It doesn't make sense. We are nonsense. Nonsense. It doesn't make sense. You say, "Dear, free mo." Your mouse can say, "Corner copper be for brain." One to my fashion, magazine, young spending in Yana, a casse where chili, as your mountain mouth. When you're serious, honorable sportsmen only F in when you're serious. Football a good. Sit down and think. Say, didn't in a tournament be an ajegu, and a 17 a man and member, and a 20 a man and member, and a 23, and a senior national team. Your tournament be an ajegu. Look at our clubs here. You're too many other African countries and compete. David Abagna, see we are no talk signing them a Sudan club. Sudanese club. Sudan. And your best player in the league, I signing their mom. And we are here touting ourselves and a gateway to Africa, African Brazilians. Money some answer. And now Oranke, we are seeing now, we have about 88 leagues in the world of Moranke here. Ghana and count. 88 leagues. Over leagues and quite 88 where we are here. Ghana League and mem. Nigerian League Sudanese League Ghana League and count. Between chance and James a quite band never first so I mean a league in a tumpon. A quite man soon never first so my national team in a tumpon. Now much chance say, oh player we am a player, my man go 1 minute, Matona Quabridge, my Jessica Gumboto, and one I'm you more than Black Stars there money laundering. I don't know Mojin. We don't care, say take us to court, we don't care. We will say it as it is. And some munu Black Galaxies, you to me check Niger, you to me say Madagascar. You be an artist at the Amamo. Now I be General Airport, I be free, hey. You say young croc will be a beam. Young croc will be a beam, and Simuna, and Quasasama, and Quasasam, young croc will be a beam. Crabia Santo, Apostoloa. What do I do in Cheba for Facebook? Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube, Okoman Radio 97.1. WhatsApp messages, 055-166-7755. 055-166-7755. And at 0270-191-971. 0270-191-971. I know WhatsApp messages and I think text messages so the bar. Yes, Stebe Kinkai and so to me edit. Amau fear her. Facebook messages kakraba. Ofe Maxwell say watching and listening live across Akuapem. More greetings to Odoya Sansona Daniel Aye, and so Dini Diabaso. She showed in life. Kofi Ajima Black Man. I say good afternoon, watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra. And also the message audio about Jet Ofori. I say guys on fire on air. I'm listening from La Bonnie Coffee Shop Accra. And also Jet Ofori. Jet, my inchiao and then ya sebe ewa Okoman in Fio. I say watching the show live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop in Amokom. A big congrats to Asante Koroko for their wonderful victory yesterday against Kotoku Royals. And also Nedia Wetimi area. Solo wa akrob ya ha beko munche na ye di Galaxies and so no hen komo. Solo amfa and go bisi yakwaba dada na.
Egem dase. Mami chia TF1 ahwefo a ehwe on Facebook. Galaxies 7 de yenyan kan wi. And then the ochina de ya wa anymore. Na ye free Wednesday. And no ye 2 hours na there. Ye be shada akomu ye pa ama. Amanfo hu say eniyoma ewu akire no. Eniyoma shada anko. And so ye ko tournament no say ye kwa akobo ye homodin. Akwaje because ye started tournament no made in edition 2009. Ye ko finals anko ye eno na hwe squad na kita ya ye watch still anom nyina wo squad nim na mo modern mo konkan e ba no gan football na ma gidin a ball leg no a che na still ye ko do finals Libya G e di free ensem ye to aso esan ko ye e could do baby in the year 2011 amfa and also finals yes anje e di free ensem 2014 eno kra de ye ndu baby ya yedu ye kra final ho kra de ye ndu ho kra ene efiri mu ntam ene ye baaye efiri ho no mo ye ntumi nko bie mu a be ye 8 years ni ansa na ya san qualify de ye koi coaches na kasa say wa mo hwe materials ekita eye Ghana na ye de ye na ye betumi they are fighting for trophy na age empanyufo ahuro na kan say mraso say me kwakwaji trophy no e de aba performance o mo dan na die nyina ye hu ye ekowura mo tournament na nkasa no niema nko ye honom no e na mpa e dead say team na ekita ye no na qualification no e na ehia team no e na fe preparation match no yenye bibi man so Ghana fu ani no mu use tournament na ye ko ne betumi ayade ento omo yere omo ho preparation match na win matches ni bia draw ye e ma ye hu se performance no konkan but tournament proper na nkasa no team na amfa ba ku sei ni o man shada nko yie and against Madagascar ye na ye hu ye send your performance na ko ye jitu mu se Ghana ko tournament ye first match there ya mpempe no nioma en sheda enko ye mfa ma o ma no e wo first game aye bebo tournament bi emu ya jitu mu ye second game ye ko so against Sudan ye win 3-1 but I no kura no win na ye win ye no nyame ama e win eni enya ye because Sudan for no e your man bi to say Niger na nko nya first goal no a anka ho no mbakọ so de ahye a qualify kura ko manim na nka ho na ye film but ye yire ye ho ba ya benya da 3 points no e qualify and against Niger team no performance no the Saturday team no performance no e kon starting 11 ankasa no coach ni nya no wrong according to me starting 11 no di wuram no amfa amaye Seydou Suraj so wo free bench ba obobo sin say ya starting no Suraj Seydou of Heart of Folk and even Heart of Folk na nkasa no on this season on starting from my house team no on shede nya bi mo and ye ko starting no ye wo Adams at the bench Kasim Adams I no de bia me ka say sa ye ntim we no no ne proper DM yambo no what the bench she change your coaches ni ye glass na wako ye fully fit but ye dia wako be ball no and oba ya no so no the modern one answer that am team no because of so injury and the coaches ninya even selection no crowd wrong. And a team no say okwaya fa so picky players e dey free ha starting from goalkeeping ye wo goalkeeper so momodi boko nkan pa okọ Aduana Stars a Joseph Ado odi na ye na man goalkeeper de Aduana Stars or performing ye adi ni team eto so baako and as a first position our leg log no so clean sheet our keep more than 6 our league nim ye drop ye January krom ha ekoko fa Stephen Kwaku a what Great Olympics bench e dey no call tournament no obi be ka so wanchi bi yes wanchi de but sekoba say dan lad ho kai ena William Esu of Legon City so ho kai aka Stephen Kwaku na be che ye just Stephen Joseph Ado ewa eba ni defense especially central defenders ye di omo koye Hatofo Kunadu yi adom no enye wafa Kunadu yi adom performance na do wafa no enye no na wo na do Hatofo ki ena enye no nso na oda na di e wo Black Galaxies ne modemo ne bonku ye 3 matches a ye bo tournament ni mu na mi game ba kokura Kunadu yi adom etumi bo na wo modi defend ye ediyama ayen e wo game ahoro ayebo yenim yes onya one goal but ni goal no e ba na beto nanim na ode na ball ye e na take deflection e kwhye ye sa ball no player bi atumi hye wa hye goal ba bi ehia na defend anko ye against Niger shokwan wo fa so e clear ball e san de hye wono ade goal post modemo na anko Solomon Adumanko ya hye de hu ni ye. Meanwhile, you want central defenders on Mademo no conquer almost your job. Yebo qualifies. Now you for nebo visit Atinga. Any more Alhassan and nebo 4 and 5 no. Yebo qualifies. Visit Atinga any more Alhassan. Edu baby crab bet that Beche United defender.
Yeah, is it Akufo?
Akufo. Or Bobby.
Yeah.
Kuna do Bobby all right. But one shut down man chesa and
the latter part, you know.
Oh yes, yeah, baby, you know. I know shut down start here. But time or wafa na or can't him no but madam man shut down ko ye. Yaba midfielder. Yawo midfielders are madam man who was so almost still ye jamuha. Rashid Norte. Omo ko tournament no na owo mediama ansa na oba kotoko and run the first game Edman Santoko hwe Rashid not the performance our done Didima kotoko from bench yes she go Richmond Lante she yandra Justice Blay yes you place wa hire for manko. And if you go to Justice Blade this time around, almost bonus defense central defender. That position is a so bono. But I midfielder. And so say you born the central defender and or performing ye at the mass antokotoko. Sa player said no call ya. Obetumi amaye positions bebre edu baby right back Justice Blade bomber kotoko.
So they want to tell us that yes, Dominic Nsobila a good player, but they want to tell us that Dominic Nsobila better. I think Richmond Lamptey.
Richmond Lamptey. Or better, same Richard Agadas. Or better, as a Rashid Norte. Or better, as in Justice Blay.
That's what I'm saying. Say, Obi Pester or projecting the player not turning.
Oh yes.
No credit.
Yes. Share one secret name. Coach Anowoka so on Samate's head coach.
Yeah.
Of course, Samates no. Na Samates for per striker sign no. Almost Omo Kofa Kofi Koji. Or catch Samates for say almost stop him Omo Kofa Kofi Koji ma.
At the end of buy.
At the end of buy ya with the Kofi Koji court tournament.
Kofi Koji kura man na nwe kura so be court tournament. Man na nwe Kofi Koji. No has kura net in saying. Oh, I to I said 7 goals in a season crown. Man, who's the local as your friend? Oh, now Legon City 1 goal penalty.
Oh, the Eka something make it. Oh, the Transidina. Oh, club side, no. o club ne say omo per striker ma omo go for Kofi Koji aba o ka cho mo say Kofi Koji dia won pe die na hu won hu ti na so won pe but they do national duties there o go for striker na o club side o so won pe no o go for no tournament a one shot on target Kofi Koji anya our tournament nim and even Ghana Kasakura no one shot on target yanya against Niger performance nim ko yie oko go king chat no so Ghana Premier League na ye bo no so bi nim say ye kan kaka ye ko go king chat no so a abrante wodi kan Mejak afri 8 goals o ye Ghana ni ye wo Isakuka ewo RTU washa 6 goals o ye Ghana ni ye wo Steven Mukwala ono pe na ye Ghana ni a washa ono so 6 goals ono pe aside ono no ye wo Sefas Kofi Mante from Bechem United washa 5 goals ye wo Samson Eduku Tamale Cities ono so washa 5 goals Ajeni Boateng washa 5 goals and Brighter J enso 5 goals. That place we na Amanfo bi anko Brighter J o ka say maybe your friend and you say you need free squad name and nunti according to report in Amanfo bi kura ni di nkomo Brighter J catch Amanfo say me kwa ni akoso otimu ni mu no ebe ya mama me sign preko eto dia me kura na kwa ye no kodu won so ampa ye ni free Kwame Adon from Pon wo Aduana Stars former Okoman further. Ne performance this season they made Aduana Stars. E kon kan. Onu no kite Aduana Stars in what this season. Adon from Pon. Is the Omar Bashiru currently? Yes.
After say unya. Who say eki ye can midfielder baby da. Most of the time che team one or players are not say midfielders are Onya a single midfielder otumi add up goes to ni game a very
yes
and midfielder bia sana during the qualification yen share impact Omar Bashiru ebe make Omar Bashiru game no enye extra game bia and he is a player on to me more 90 minutes into she how anowo kakruya experienced man on manage sometime in difficult moment or the Omar Bashiru but the next 20 minutes yen she how or lift up team no momentum on the field of play.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to blame
Omar
the
Bashiru
team and the players.
Omar Bashiru
team
open midfielder Omar Bashiru that time open last season and they open central midfielder Omar goes to drop and you Omar Bashiru currently Adon Frimpong
performance
yes so in having Kasim Razak or Dominic Insobilano uhia another player or the goals yes this is Lampard you have John Obi Mikel you have Michael Essien there was unya Lampard
bi
e was unya Steven Gerrard bi wo ho e say unya Kevin De Bruyne bi Bernardo Silva no bi one more midfield one more ade up unya Pedri
United ko enimu na Casemiro
ubo Busquets unya Pedri ubo Casemiro unya obi ti say Bruno Fernandes since oba English Premiership ni mu wa she go single bia as number 8 wa she go single bia as number 8 since these are players unya won
and there is one secret I don't from Pon say call up way one kobi just because okwa is you selection on your opportunity to play enti ono ankasa ka kire ni mpanyufo so wapira according to report ye pa the Chelsea on ye call up ne ba won ko oso wapira because okwa wonya bi mo and coach ano worker coach Prosper na Togum ana Kara United coach okra dey ya na mru afinidin Kobe Mensah omu aguyenim ase areshima yenya omumu no omama na perform omama da GFF way influence of selection I choose players the amomo e the akọ tournament no e no makogu omu anim ase e na guy for cassette omo
so lo mami ananse full lines no na beto aso e odumedie no so make us ayo kuma 97.1 Global Sports and any gusto ayere ba akasimane be insia na sorry bad unzuro fi Wednesday ko mama time papa na VBI come 0551 667755 0551 7755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our face 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our face 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 Obafraba na fins wajen share on a Black Galaxies and also no odi aba Mr. Pa na oboniteu no bi so no etimi anya kwan and so no aba WhatsApp obetuma afra fa WhatsApp obetuma afra fa 0270 191 971 Hello Bajo Dini baby afrefi
Efuna tamga fi ebru
Ata bibia kama wa ebru
Abdum ne afiyi mbabu gibe kama
Thank you
Openi mbajo kama sio baba moyo de boya omangana ane ekafuma in fact ase GF amode Ghana omano ane Ghana ifu nyina ekuma edi agro na omesa enye possible baba cho sanke ye mi na kame me me a awo se e kwa fu kana ken e wo ofi Akropong-Akuapem Accra kwa fu Presi ba presi mu na actually na DNA e kana ken amu no kwa no me wi se last etum ayi ba ga team ko yi amu anya de mo do next time kwa that's when you don't dream about e ba wo but na de ne ko so Ghana ma sa e time TFC ya living na a pro na aye ske di na mu di mo de e kuma di in fact mo se de communication ka wo
Okay, ata onsori nyankopon entina.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Master Tiemoni.
Bacha me ameni.
Master Tiemo o Royal Johnson bibia boko.
Na me adom boko wa ha mi chawo ni wa begu afunyi na kwa bia kan mi chia onso.
Ojo so, mentio.
O mo se bo no. Ejana owu eba no. Ejana nkasa ne bra enyefe. Ejana nkasa ne bra enyefe. Nti o ye de anko tu o mano fo se. Mo se samusu ba sam abrabo. That Premier League na this players by Premier League na nkasa ti sen. Premier League na nkasa ti sen. Opponent ni nya bobo na opponent nsa. Na wa jam on ya se penalty. Bona Premier League na nkasa ti sen. And the players na head corner nya players no fault. Premier League na nkasa enye.
Okay.
It's a DNT. Ya mi shira mo wa.
Ya mi so insha Master Tiemo. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bacho Dini baby afrefi.
Evemi Imano mekazevi Ukugwa.
Ima Ukugwa eboko, mentio.
Eboko. Ni amikan say Ghana football no akoye business. So what you say? Akoye business.
Ima Bacho nkebe ya Twumhene radio no ana lo wana mame. Why? Okay, mentio.
No, I can say football na free business. And I GFA, imagine say they want something for Ghana. Because we should players are here to cook balls at tournament here. We should make players begin. What you say they need something. The dear or panel. But I'm going to the ball. Only the Govi was we go strike. So players to be a young Govi performance. I want the banner or the possible. Nije. Ghana emobo. Nchaka chenko mai bazo kuparaga. Kaje zenini kila ni seskela. Nchaka.
Okay, and solo aso adze. Ozenu ni ozi a friend tela antino. I have a fee. Why? Okay. Krobia.
Teu pa antino. I don't know. You bet you be an ado BBAC. Na AK we the me personal me here we be pa me personal we be intino. Mr. KB my fan film na yanya sa me pay way 2-bedroom self-contained. 2-bedroom self-contained. Everyone Akropong. Akropong 2-bedroom self-contained. Yeah.
Okay. Antino atiefo muamudu si muamunia Krobia Sante was a 2-bedroom self-contained. ope nti no wo on page agent asembia na agent asembia da bi nti say dan no Akropong na bi no woman asotia 2 bedroom self contained no and phone number to one
oba obiaba obehu
on frel direct e bi no we bi
okay 0541 123 550 me number 0541 123 550 2 bedrooms self-contained. Ti unye bia obetumi afra homa no.
Oba akwa no nye bia afra. Okay, entino ye de besi na yakọ Isaac Atiemo osin Ghana. Say Isaac Atiemo announce the message or the buy my brand dey so na mom
Asibi.
What pass? Onya bibia o kan dey.
Oh, me kan no.
Okay.
Your friend Abobo ya.
Oh.
The nickname no.
Did you say?
The Obin Isaac.
Okay. Nice name na Abobo.
Oh, yeah, heavy party.
I'm for Bugatti bi anto.
Debbie, Abobo ya no pe. Ente ya ma minchiano. But Wednesday I corner there.
Yes, Wednesday I'm on Anopa 10
to 12.
Yes, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Oh, okay.
I know na
Global Sports.
Okay. Anopa 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You know. Wednesday 1st February. Na ye chance na see 2 January.
Oche babu boss segment in the
yes, 2 hours solid. Na just say manya na 14 for no so no 14 February. Over kwan ko bia.
Aden wo ye den.
So what's the vows day? Over kwan.
Okay. Christmas he buy cry and say buy you.
There's a 14th Champions League. 14th February.
Champions League.
It's in your baby girl from baby I want to go. Yeah, kwa share ball.
Say.
Either so we cross Stamford Bridge and now Banabao. You know, we say kwa out Champions League ball. Any kwa share. Enti eno so no ye be si na me boy chena na ya be to aso fie mu amanya bre frame etwe live on Facebook. Na me sham bebre mu amantu man friends still na Yamin Sonom, Ensham, Papa, non Kamono Yamokas, executive producer, Era Kofi Anson, Balfour Sanson, and Anna Kofi Okorajaman, DJ Zigibi, Donzi, Solo Paradise, Crop Yasante, a boy me chidon Papa, I made you made in by Sanson Abella, and Sonom, and a ginger, yes, I'm a you made in by Mutia Kelvin Amponsah Addi, a frame maker, Mensono Majo so. Muchum.